Good morning, our dear subscribers. The FutureTrend company is again with you this morning, the morning of 23rd of February. The week was flagged by a rebounding United States dollar. Yesterday we saw a kind of mild retreat from the recent gains of the United States currency. Also, we'd like to pay attention that despite of the surge of the United States Treasury yields, the stock market behaved rather well yesterday. As the Dow Jones as well as Nikkei this morning, all of them are in the positive territory, and that means that probably investors seeking for the safe haven kind of risky assets are back into play, are back into the markets. At the moment, it's a little bit premature to say how the market will behave itself during the nearest future, especially during next week after the correction of this one, I mean the correction of the United States currency. Anyway, we still suggest that probably the dollar was on the kind of was under the kind of mild correction, and sooner or later will resume its underlying bearish trend. But of course, the time will show. Now, regarding our strategy and our positions in the foreign exchange market, despite of yesterday's unlucky closing of our long trade recommendation in the euro dollar, we still suggest that the pairs should be bought on any dips closer to the more important support line of 2205, the lows of February. We still suggest that we will start buying the currency on the possible retest of yesterday's lows around 122.65, probably adding around 122.10. With a stop below 121.65. Also, we suggest that the euro dollar should be bought. The euro dollar should be bought on a possible break above current highs of 23.60, where also lies around 23.80, the moving average 200 hours line. Regarding other strategy, we still keep our shorter trade recommendation in the dollar yen, which trading around 107.10 at the moment. We still suggest that while the pair trading below its short-term downtrend of 108.30, the pair should keep its underlying weaker tone. Regarding other currencies, the sterling still rather neutral. Now we suggest for those trying to be flexible in the pair, probably it's worth mentioning a kind of selling against the short-term downtrend, which lies today around 140.80. Our strategy is to buy on a possible test of the underlying longer-term uptrend, which lies around 37.40.50. That's why we will buy the pair on possible undershooting of 137.60 level. Regarding other positions and other strategies, the dollar Swiss still more or less neutral at the moment. Anyway, we still keep our short trade recommendation from 93.70 with a close stop above 94.10. Yesterday the pair was around 94.08, so we still keep our short trend recommendation. And what else? The Australian dollar, we still keep our long position at 78.10 with the stop below the lows of February at 77.59. Our stop loss is at 77.55. The New this morning is under the downside pressure, but while above its local kind of uptrend, or intersecting around 72.65, we still suggest the pair is a buy on the dips. The dollar Canada, yesterday's data was quite bad for the domestic retail sales report of the Canadian economy was quite bad, and that's explained the current retreat of the dollar Canada to the upside. Anyway, here there are two contradicting kind of opinions. From one point of view, the pair broke above its moving average 200 daily line, which lies today around 27.05 or 10. But at the same time, the pair still trading below its major resistance barrier of 29.20, where we will once again selling the currency on a possible retest. The euro yen is under the constant selling pressure at the moment. We suggest the pair is selling on a possible uptick to 133 because yesterday you know that the pair principally tested its moving average daily line, and now the break below this line could open a path for future losses, probably to the psychological important barrier 130 and moving average 200 weekly line, which lies today at 129.66. At the moment it's more or less all. We hope that next week on Monday you will be again with us in the morning on 26th of February. We wish you a nice days ahead, a profitable one, and a nice weekend for all of you and all your family members. See you later, and bye bye for now.